How to learn digital marketing and social media marketing absolutely for free. Paano nga ba matuto ng digital marketing at social media marketing and management for free with certificate? Tuunan nyo na ng pansin. Libre na are! Without further ado, let's go! Go to academy.hubspot.com. Click on allow cookies. Click on sign up for free courses. I always recommend just clicking on continue with Google para lang dire-diretso na gamit nyo yung email nyo pag maglo-login kayo. Tapos may pop-up doon, kiklik nyo lang confirm. Pagdating nyo dito, piliin nyo marketing, job role, virtual assistant, company name, ilagay nyo na lang Blogimery Group. How many people work at your company? 1. Kung wala pa kayo sariling website, pwede nyo ilagay ito. Hintayin nyo lang na mag-load. Pagdating nyo dito sa page na to, search for digital marketing. Take this lesson, it's certification. Additional knowledge, digital marketing fundamentals. Pag clinic nyo to, pak, enroll. Araling maigi at may exam ari sa huli. Next up, search for social media marketing and you can take this one. As usual, pag click nyo dyan, click nyo lang enroll. At may exam ulit siya sa huli. That's 10 hours worth of free learning with certificate absolutely free. As usual, I want you guys to document your journey, tag me, and use the hashtag freelancer2023. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!